I am not angry because you are denying your identity, but I will always be an scapegoat for your crime. Each time you commit a crime, I will be referred to as a brother of a crime committer. Ikwereman said he is not an Igbo. It is not my pain that a man from Delta says he is not an Igbo. A man from Calabar, my brother from another mother, from Asaba, is claiming that he is not an Igbo. That is not my problem, and it doesn't pay me in any way. My pain and my anger is that when I and you travel to another man's country, and if by any chance, by any means, or by any mistake, you commit a crime, if they look after you without seeing you, they will look after me. If they are fighting you, if by any means there is a riot, or you engage yourself into a fight, or you commit a popular crime, they will tell me that it is my brother. Your brother have committed. See, your Igbo brother is fighting. See, your Igbo brother is mad. See, your Igbo brother is a thief. That is my anger. Not because you are denying your identity, but because when once you have an issue, it will affect me. Because ndị Igbo say, "Ofu aka rụta mmanụ, ya ezuru ọha." My pain is that if I travel with you to Lagos, and if anything like riot burst out between you and another man, if they don't get you, they will look for me. If I travel with you to northern part of the country, if by any means you had a problem with anybody that has to resort to a fight, if they look for you without seeing you, they will look for me. That is my anger. I am not angry because you are denying your identity. That is not my problem. But I will always be an scapegoat for your crime. Each time you commit a crime, I will be referred to as a brother of a crime committer. Each time you commit any offense, if you become a prisoner, they will call me a brother to a prisoner. That is my problem. And my simple advice to you is, in case you find yourself in anywhere, any part of the country, or abroad, or in another man's land, and you see an Igbo person having a problem or fighting, if you know that you don't have strength to